back to another Snag Masters Classics video. Today we're going to do some topwater fishing for bass, of course. And we are using my new canoe. Purchased for a really good deal. $120 for a paddle and canoe. So yeah, it is currently 5 a.m. right now. And we are waiting for Pang and Tyson. And we will see you on the water. There they are. There they are. Sup, dude? Sup, dude?
What's up, man? Morning.
Good morning. Early morning. Sup, dude? No way.
You did.
Oh, he did. I got it. I got it on cam. I got it on
No
cam.
jump for you. Ah!
Homeboy.
Oh my God! Don't make it worse, my.
My boy paying for his cast.
Damn. My...
First cast, yeah. First cast.
Okay. Okay.
I think jerkbait would do the work. No, mine's already hitting bottom.
Ping finally lands a fish. Wow.
First time on this.
What? What?
No.
What?
Yo.
Here you go, little baby for the day. Bye bye.
Whoa. You should ink us.
No, that. Yeah, move on.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That way we can couple more water. Ooh! You have one?
Yep.
Keep him down in the water. Don't let him jump.
No. Yep. Whoa! Whoa! No! I can't.
Or it's 2 pounds. Or 1 pound.
Come on!
That's a nice one. Yep.
Oh!
I got him.
Wait. Come my way, come my way. Wait, I can't see. I'm not trying to grab this.
Just grab his mouth, bro. It's a bass. You gotta get him out. That's a 1 pounder.
Going?
Yep.
Good size, good size, good size.
Nah, first one. Oh, what? A pike?
Oh.
Oh, come on.
We gotta post on Snag Masters Instagram.
I just grabbed him by the gills.
Yeah. And then
I don't want to grab him by nothing.
Give me your pliers. That's where you need a dumpster. Not where you want to pinch bath on.
Okay, thank God. He came off. Let's go.
Testing.
Yep. Going?
Yep. Pike.
Ah! Wow. Here. Wait for you.
Freaking pike. Well, that's what happens when you use cranks. Chill, homie. Okay, I get it. It hurts. It's a pike for ya. Say bye-bye.
Damn, we could double off.
Could have, but you missed. You didn't let him eat it.
That's a large one.
You hooked too early.
Yeah.
Got one? Oh, yeah. Oh, I lost it. What?
Look who just caught one.
Tyrone.
Tyrone.
Leave it, I got one.
Yeah.
Cream bait yourself. Got one?
Yep, that's one. Crankbait for days.
Ooh.
Crankbait for days. Come here, buddy.
Damn. Did you give
Yep, I got him.
a release video on it, you think? Yeah. Damn.
We found him. Release.
After 2 days? Oh.
What? Let's go!
Slabs.
Wait, did you record?
Slabs? Yeah, he did.
You made it, right? Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, can I keep it?
You want to keep it?
Yeah. Oh my. I want it to eat.
Sitting with him.
I had one nibble over there.
Ooh.
Got
Yep, got him.
Got him. Got him recorded?
Yep.
Dude, Jafine.com. Good size, right?
Decent. That was a good hit.
Small?
Large.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
My biggest one for today.
No?
Yeah, it is.
No.
This is my biggest bass for today, fool.
Oh.
Gosh, you in the nose. Let's go. I was right. There's gotta be a bass here. Ow, he bit me.
Our Jafine, you only.
Ho, ho!
What?
Oh.
Oh, that's a slab, bro. Put it in the boat. Put it in the
Dude,
boat.
look, we keep it.
Let's
No!
That is a huge crappie.
Bro,
Oh, he came off. He came off.
Get it. Tyson, grab his mouth. That's a huge
Right here.
slab, dude.
we're keeping it.
Dude, that's a big crappie.
Plug. I plug drills. I caught a bigger one than that. Nothing new.
That's a huge slab, dude.
We're keeping it.
Maybe just as big.
Then next time I'm bringing you worms.
Worms. I caught that on a jerk bait. Dude, I saw him ate it too.
Yeah, I saw that too.
You saw it.
Alright guys, we're just about to wrap up the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, caught quite a lot of pikes and nothing too big really.
Called 2-pounder.
1.5. 1.5. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.